go. We're live. Sci Guy and Dad. Dad already busted a Jake. We've been sitting here for about 45 minutes watching this other Jake. He hasn't decided to pull the trigger. Oh, he just gobbled. Get him, bro. Get him. Double up with Dad. Let's end the season right now. Double up. Get him, bro. I got him. I'm on him right now. I'm on him. Don't wait on the camera, man. Just send it. Send it, bro. The thing's not gonna go 20. That's right, Rod Daniels. Shout out to Rod, the old Rudster. Alright, let's go, dude. Bust him. Double up with Dad. I got him. Right here. He's in. Send it. Pound him. Give him the old ground pound. Give him the old 20 gauge. Oh. He's talking to you, Si. He's talking to you. Are you gonna do this thing or no? Si Guy's just a waiting. Just a waiting.